And by the way, for anyone who want to download this PDF file, you will find the link in the description, the link of my Patreon page, where you're gonna find this PDF file and many others. Other content. You can download many schematics for free. Of course, a lot of schematics. You need just to join me in my Patreon page, and you will find a lot of exclusive content that I didn't share here in YouTube. And of course, here in my channel, for new subscriber or new member, you are very welcome. You're gonna find in my channel a lot of videos about did motherboard repairs, about schematics, about how to diagnose the motherboard, about also the electronic component, hardware, how to test components, so samples, a lot of videos that you will help you to understand. Of course, here I have a membership for anyone who want to join me in my membership, and also you can find many useful links, like the link for example for my Patreon page, for the gift page, the link also for my PayPal for anyone who want to support me for my website, etc. A lot of links, and of course a lot of videos, and of course you're gonna find even the live videos and the complete courses. Thank you very much.